let's see what is remote login and file transfer protocol. So what is remote login? I will give you a simple example that what is remote login. So let's say you want to log in to your Gmail account. So for that purpose, what do? You just you just type gmail.com and you are entering to the Gmail account, and then you are logging into your Gmail account by providing the ID and the password. So this is nothing but remote login. That means you are not going to be physically anywhere and login into your Gmail account. So this is nothing but remote login. So let's see first SSH. So what is SSH? SSH is a secure shell which is used to remote login, which is used for the login to the server remotely. So remotely you can log in into the server very securely. Securely, it means with the help of encryption. So if you are interested and you want to see how it works, then and if you are using a Windows, then you can install this PuTTY software for that purpose. So here I will show you. This is a PuTTY configuration. So here you can enter your host name or IP address of your server, and by entering it, then click on the open. So then you are connected to your server. And also the next feature also available for the PuTTY is PuTTY key generator. So from here you can generate any type of key like RSA, DSA. Suppose if you want to generate the RSA key, so RSA is nothing but an algorithm which is used for the encryption purpose. So click on the RSA, click on the generate, and here your RSA key will be generated. So here you can see this is the key will be generated. So this key you can save into your local computer also. And of course, if you don't have a server to connect in it, then you can try this Tectia SSH version. So this is how the SSH work. In short, the SSH, it's a secure shell and which is used to log in remotely to your server. You are not going to be physically anywhere and log in into your server. Then next we will see all the internet protocols. So all the internet protocols is approved by this IETF. The IETF is an Internet Engineering Task Force. So what is the main goal of this IETF is to internet work better for all, because all the internet protocol like TCP, IP, FTP, SFTP, SCP, these all the internet protocol is approved by this IETF. So if you are interested, you can refer this website for the more information purpose. So this is the first protocol, that is FTP. So FTP is a file transfer protocol which is used to transfer the file. So let's say you are visiting some website, and from that website you want to download some file. So for that downloading the purpose, the FTP protocol is used, and this is the FTP protocol is provided by TCP IP. You can visit this video and you can see what is TCP IP. Then FTP has two connections. The first connection is data transfer and the second one is control connection. So the data transfer is nothing but to transfer the data in between the client and server. And control connection means what? The server is checked whether user has a permission to read this file, to send this file, to modify this file. All the access permission of that particular user, the server is checked. Then if you are interested to perform practically how the FTP work, this is a solution for the FTP: FileZilla, WinSCP, CyberDuck. So from this FileZilla, there is a two separate file for the FileZilla server and FileZilla client, and by entering the server IP address or host name, you can easily transfer the file. And this is the website. Here you can see the online demo. That means you are not supposed to install the client and server into your local computer and then perform the practical of FTP. So by visiting this website, you can get a knowledge of how the FTP work practically. The next protocol is SFTP. So this is the secure version of FTP. So FTP is not secure. So for that purpose, SFTP is introduced. The functionality is the same. What does FTP is doing for file transfer? So SFTP also same. So SFTP has port number 22. So we all of us know that what is port number. So let's see a very simple example. What is port number? The port number is means what? If the 4 persons is living in a one house and all the 4 persons are living into the separate room. So here house is your IP address and yours is your room is your port number. It's an individual identification of that particular person. So this is nothing but a port number. Next is TELNET. TELNET is teletype network and TELNET is used port number 23. And TELNET is also used for remote login. If you are interested to use TELNET on Windows machine, then simply goes into the control panel. In control panel, Windows features is available, and in Windows feature, here you can see the TELNET client and TELNET server. Simply click on the checkbox and click on the OK button. After click OK button, simply goes into the command prompt. Simply type TELNET. After type the TELNET, here you can enter the Microsoft TELNET client. Then type TELNET, type the IP address of your server and port number. Then you can easily connect with the help of a TELNET. So this is nothing but the remote login with the help of TELNET. Thank you so much.